This is Mark Brand with R Enterprises with a 5-minute drill on truck 1555. It's like new condition with under 100 miles. The chassis is a 2022 Chevy G4500. It's got a 159-inch wheelbase. It's 2-wheel drive. The engine is a V8 gasoline. The overall length is 275 inches. Overall height is 108 inches. Headroom is 72 inches. It's a McCoy Miller box, newly painted. New rotary latches and pad latches. New gaskets. New Willen sirens and speakers. All new Willen LED lighting. Has a 300-watt trip-lock inverter. Also has a new Pro Air HVAC system. The body configuration is front left compartment, front forward compartment with the trip lock inverter and adjustable shelf. Over wheel well drawer. Rear compartment with adjustable shelf. New bumper with flip up step. Rear entry with a striker rail. Forward and aft action areas. New 4-point harness seat for attendants. ALS with in and out cabinets. Rear compartment, the dividers, small right-hand rear compartment, curbside entry door, with sharp containers and waste basket. Unit comes with a new console and controls. Front right compartment, ALS, in and out cabinet. The lower compartment with slide out batteries. If you have any questions concerning Unit 1555, please call 1-833-ReMount or go onto our website, www.renterprises.com. Thank you.